Welcome to QZenith Video Tutorials. In this video, we're going to discuss and understand about WinSCP, and also we're going to know how is it going to help us in our lab environment. So let's get started. Now, WinSCP stands for Windows Secure Copy, and it's an open source file transfer application for Windows. So it allows user to securely transfer files between a local computer and a remote server using protocols like SFTP and then like FTP, file transfer protocol, secure file transfer protocol. We've got WebDAV, and then we've got SCP as well. So essentially it's a tool for moving files over a network in a secure way. Now, why do we need that? Let's say here we have got our laptop, and within laptop we have installed VMware. Now in VMware Workstation Pro we have installed EveNG. Now in EveNG we don't have any kind of operating system, so we're going to install WinSCP in our laptop, and then WinSCP will help you transfer those Cisco IOS images of routers and switches to securely transfer from your host machine, from your laptop, to the EveNG which is installed in your VMware Workstation Pro. So that's why we're going to install WinSCP in our machine. Now I have switched back to my web browser, and then I'm going to type WinSCP in my web browser, hit enter. The first link is the WinSCP official site download. I'm going to right click on it and open up a new tab. So I'm going to click on new tab, just click on it over here, WinSCP 6.3 download. So scroll down a bit and you can see download WinSCP 6.3.7, which is again 11 MB of file size. I'm going to just click on it. Now it says your download of WinSCP 6.3.7 setup will start shortly, and it started automatically. And when it's done, you can just click on it and the install mode pop-up is seen over here. Just click on install for all users recommended. I'm going to just click on it, and for user account control I would say click on yes to proceed, and for the license agreement I'm going to just click on accept. I would go for typical installation, which is again recommended. I'm going to just click on next. So you have got the options for initial user settings. I would go for commander. That means you're going to have a single window, and on the left panel you're going to get the Windows access, and on the right panel you're going to get the Linux access, from where you can drop down the files from your Windows host machine to your EveNG machine. I'm going to just click on next, and everything is done, ready to install. Just click on install. So the installation is completed. Here it's checked with launch WinSCP and open getting started page. It's okay, already fine. I'm going to just uncheck this one and then just click on finish, and it opens up the WinSCP. You can type the IP address of the EveNG machine, and we can import the Cisco images within the EveNG machine so that we can build our lab in your EveNG topology. So this is how you download and install WinSCP. In the next video I'm going to show you how we can import your Cisco images, the Cisco routers and the switches in your EveNG machine. So this is it in this video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.